Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install the Eclipse IDE in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. To install Eclipse first, Java needs to install in your system. So in previous video we have learned how to install Java in Windows 11 operating system. I have given link in description. Please watch that video to install Java JDK in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First, open your favorite browser and search for Eclipse. Then you will get the eclipse.org, the official website for the Eclipse. Click on that link. So then you will navigate to this page. So after that, you will get the download button here. Click on that button. Now here you will get the Eclipse IDE for your desktop. So click on this button. Now here again we have the download button. Click on that to download exe file. So it will start automatically downloading, and if it is not started download you can start from here. So you can see it is started downloading. Let's wait till download complete. So we have downloaded it successfully. Let's install it. To install, open it into folder. Now double click on this exe file. Now, here you have to select the Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Java Web Developer. So click on this folder. Now this is our Java path. So we have installed Java in previous video. Then this is the path for Eclipse where all Eclipse files will be stored. You can change this file path from directly from this button. So I am keeping it as it is. Now let's click on install button. So it will start installing. We have installed it successfully. Let's launch it. So click on launch button. So first we need to create workspace folder for this. So let's create it. So click on browse button. I'm creating that folder on desktop. So go to desktop and create new folder for workspace. Now select this folder. Don't show, just click this checkbox if you don't want to see this again. So click on launch now. So you can see the workspace folder on desktop which we have created. So in this way you can install Eclipse IDE in Windows 11 operating system. So these are the files from where you can create the new folders like Marvel project, Java project, or dynamic web project. You can directly import project from here as well. So these are the different ways to create a project in Eclipse.